Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to if you haven't been here before. I'm so sorry it's been so long. I've been just getting adjusted to my new schedule and everything. Work just started back and it's been a lot but expect the videos every week. Pinky promise. Okay? Pinky promise. That means it's never broken because I said that. Guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. I hope you guys enjoy. Let's go. Okay guys, so first I'm going to start off by brushing my eyebrows, and I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in Ebony. Always make sure you're doing your brush strokes in the same direction as the hair growth on your eyebrows. Now I'm going to be using my favorite, the LA Pro Concealer in the color Fawn, just to define my eyebrow shape. I always go with the natural shape of my eyebrows just so it looks a little bit more natural. Now, of course, if you watch my videos before, we're going to blend that out because leaving it is not cute. Now I'm going to use that same LA Pro Conceal in the color Fawn just as an eyeshadow base. Make sure you blend it out super well so your eyeshadow lays evenly. Now I'm just using tape so I have super sharp lines for my cat eye. For the first shade, I'm going to be using Becca Cosmetics Ocean Jewels palette in the color Sandstone. Place this color in the crease of your eye and bring it up to your eyebrow bone. Now I'm going to cut a crease with the P. Louise eyeshadow base in the color 0. For the next shade, I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette in the color Perfectionist. Make sure you pack this color all over the lid. Now I'm just taking that same color Sandstone and I'm going to blend out the color Perfectionist. Repeat the same steps on the other eye. Now I'm going to be using the Better Than Sex mascara. I'm going to put it on before I place my lashes, and I also did a small wing liner off camera. For the lashes, I'm going to be using Miami Light from Lily Lashes. Today for my foundation, I'm going to be using the I Am Magic Velvet Matte Foundation from Juvia's Place in the color 240. Make sure you blend it out super well and try not to mess up your eyeshadow while doing so. I always bring it down to my neck area because I do have eczema and it does cause my neck to be a little bit darker from the rest of my body. Now I'm going to be using that same concealer once again in Fawn from LA Pro Girl Concealer to highlight my face. Now I'm just going to take my Morphe sponge to blend that out. I do like this one because it does have a straight edge, so when you do have kind of like a cat eye, it works perfectly. To define my face, I'm going to be using Juvia's Place I Am Magic Velvet Foundation in the color 205. Now I'm going to use that same Morphe sponge and I'm going to slightly blend it out. Now to complete blending, I'm going to use one of my brushes. To set my face, I'm going to be using Beauty Bakery's Casanova Flour. Now I'm just going to brush away the powder. I don't want to look too matte today. To bronze my face, I'm going to be using Fenty Beauty Sunstalker in the color Cocoa Naughty. To add some color, I'm going to be using Fenty Beauty's Cream Blush in the color Cool Berry. Now I'm taking that same color Sandstone and I'm putting it on my lower lash line. To highlight my face, I'm going to be using Sephora's highlighter palette in that pink color that's in the bottom right corner. Now I'm going to place some mascara on my lashes to add a little bit more volume. For lip liner, I'm going to be using the color Cappuccino from NYX. For my lips, I'm going to be using the Morphe Matte Liquid Lipstick in the color True Story. Now I'm just going to place the same liner on top. Here I'm using the same highlighter from earlier to put in my inner corners. Lastly, I'm going to be using MAC's Prep and Prime for setting spray in Coconut. Now this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoy. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you for watching.